Marango weche mag pur, jamni kod lupo koro chako rango rang'iny e chenro mopogore opogore e counties ma pachoka kane gikuongo gibago romo kod gavana ma Samburu Jonathan Lati Leleit mar mondo mi oler kaka omenda manochwal ne counties e sekta mar pur notii godo. Senators goeko ojiwo governors ma pachoka mondo keto okenge makare mag neno ni oti makare gomenda michwalo ne counties ne chenro mag dongruok maonge mibadhi moro amora iye. Maeri kaka achiel kuom yore mar neno ni dongruok odhi nyime kaka dwarore e counties ma pachoka.
We want to end this program maybe after 7 years because we don't want to be distributing livestock forever. But we want to reach some threshold where we think that our people of the islands have enough sidewalls to keep in that now private lands, not group ranches, and the people in the lowlands have camels, not cows, that they can sustain them during droughts and everything.
Are these self-help groups registered? Or it's a group of people coming together and they call themselves self-help groups?
They benefit at different levels. They benefit as an individual farmer. For example, they can be registered and they get access to the government subsidy programs like seeds, fertilizer, and also vaccination. Farmers also get support through groups, through supply of agricultural inputs, trainings, capacity development, and also giving them of some grant. So these are registered groups. They are known and they are legally registered, and we can be able to trace their registration. And each member has a member